This is a guide on how you can create a community or a subreddit on Reddit. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So in order to make a community or a subreddit, you have to go to the Communities tab. In the bottom, click on Communities, the second option. After that, on this page, click on the three bars on the top left corner of your screen. After that, click on Create a Community. Alright, on this page, you have to choose a name for your community. And remember, it has to be unique. You can't really use a name which has already been taken by someone else as a community. Alright, so let's say I want to name my community Deep Rezo. Alright, so nobody has taken this name, so I can use it. After that, you have to add a description, and it has to be more than 5 letters. So let's say balls, maybe. That works. After that, click next. Alright, on this page, you can choose a banner for your community. So you're gonna click on this, and you're gonna click on any random, I'm using a random picture. You can just choose this very wisely because it matters for you, your community. It doesn't matter for me because this is just a trial. I'm not really making a community. Alright, after that, you can choose an avatar as well. So click on add and choose an image. I'm using this. Okay, once you're done, click on next. On this page, you have to choose the options, or you have to choose the topics that relate to your community. For example, let's just say you're making a community for anime. So you're going to click on anime. Your community will also have art. So you're going to click on performing arts or art, whatever you want. And if it also has anything related to studying or education, you can click on that as well. And yeah, that's it. You can only choose 3, so yeah, choose wisely. Once you're done, click on next on the top right. After that, you get the option if you want your community to be public, or if you want it to be restricted, that only few can see it. If you want to share it with someone, otherwise nobody else can see it. And the third option is private. Only approved members will be able to see it. So I'm gonna keep it public. You also get the option to choose mature 18+, so none of the teenagers and minors will be able to join your community since it's 18+. So yeah, I'm not gonna choose that though. And click on next. It'll take some time. It's loading. And there you go. That's it. That's your community. And as you can see, there's no post in this subreddit right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you create a subreddit on Reddit.